Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. BK Garg, I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon. In today's video, I will let you know and we will discuss the entire process of hair transplant surgery. In my other videos, I have already made you aware about all precautions or how to go for consultation of hair transplant or how to choose your surgeon carefully, so you can log into those videos and have more information about that. In this video, I will discuss, once you have decided to undergo the procedure, what your experience will be like, or what are all the steps you undergo while you are in the clinic for the procedure. You come to us on the day of procedure in the morning, and we ask you to undergo basic investigations which you have already performed, and we have found you fit for the procedure. You come on the day of procedure to us after having full breakfast. It is important to understand that you're not supposed to come for this surgery empty stomach. This procedure is done under local anesthesia, and you need to have good breakfast before coming to the clinic. Once you are in the clinic, we will have another discussion regarding your expectation, which is more or less a recap of our previous discussion, and after that we will mark your hairline. And during the process of designing your hairline, we will have discussion with you, and I will like to know your expectations and I will give my inputs. And once we have decided on a hairline, we mark it, and then we go for the process of hair trimming. Sometimes we do this procedure with selective trimming or no trimming, depending upon the number of follicles required or any special requirement. Once the trimming is done and you are ready, then during all this process, we make every effort to make you calm and comfortable, so that you are not very stressed or anxious about the procedure. So once you are in operating room, then after your positioning is done, and I will start the process of giving you local anesthesia. You can have my look at my another video wherein I describe the process of local anesthesia in detail. At Iconic, I like to provide anesthesia in most painless or most comfortable manner. We have special techniques for that. So this process of local anesthesia can take another 10 to 12 minutes, and once the anesthesia has set in, then I start removing follicles from your scalp. We use both your sides or back, depending on the follicle requirement. This process of removing follicles is painless, and many of our patients go off to sleep during the process, and it can take up 1.5 to 2 hours depending upon the number of follicles required, sometimes even longer depending how much is the requirement and what is the capacity of donor area. So once extraction process or punching has been done, then we proceed to implant the grafts, and you are allowed a break in between, and you can have some refreshments. You can move around a bit in the clinic to stretch your legs. After a few minutes, we give you anesthesia for implantation, and for this we need to give you anesthesia in your front part or whatever area we have decided to implant. This again involves some injections, and we have some advanced nerve block techniques which we use to make this process more comfortable and painless. So process of implantation can again take around 2 to 3 hours or maybe a little longer depending on the number of follicles required. During this process, you are again allowed to take restroom breaks. It's not that you are restricted, but the process of implantation differs little from extraction, that while implantation going on, you have to tell us before you move your head, or you cannot move your head too much. So this entire process will be complete by 5 to 6 hours or maybe longer, and once the implantation is complete, then we put a sterile bandage on your donor area. Your recipient area, or the area where newly harvested grafts have been implanted, usually stays open and covered with a cap. You go home with a small bandage and a cap which stays for next 48 hours. And once the procedure is over, you will give you detailed post-operative post-procedure guidelines, and all the medications which you have to take are explained, detailed written instructions are given regarding care of the implanted area and how to take shower and washing instructions. You've also been informed in detail about the process of shedding of hair which happens in post-operative period, and various growth lines are discussed again to reconfirm. And once you are completely clear on all of this, then you are allowed to go home. And we like to assure you that during the process of recovery at Iconic, we do real hand holding. We are available to us on phone, WhatsApp, email, and you are eligible for free follow-up during post-operative period. So this entire process is done in very safe and hygienic environment at Iconic Clinic, and we assure you our best possible effort in each of the procedure. I hope that I am able to make you understand the entire process of hair transplant on the day of surgery. If you want to know more about pre-procedure information, or you want to know how to take care of your hair transplant once it's done, you can have a look at my other videos. Thank you very much. If you have still more queries, feel free to reach us.